Upper-level management spends less time in the tools used to do the actual work and more time in the tools used to facilitate that work, like Outlook, Teams, etc. It makes sense to embed management reports in Teams as opposed to Dynamics 365. This is good for reports and dashboards that include high-level information and KPI tracking. You can easily create a Power BI dashboard that includes data from various applications. Maybe your sales team uses Dynamics 365, but your support team uses Zendesk. A business user can easily combine all this data into a single Power BI dashboard and share it with the management team. To embed a Power BI report in a team, all you need to do is navigate to the team and click the plus button right here. Select Power BI as an application and then select the dashboard. Now your management team has a 360-degree view of all company operations.